Hello, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're delving into the world of artificial intelligence and its profound impact on our everyday lives. Join us as we explore the ways in which AI is shaping and transforming the way we live, work, and interact. Before we dive into the impact, let's define artificial intelligence. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to personalized recommendations on streaming services, AI has seamlessly integrated into our daily apps. These intelligent systems learn from our behaviors, adapting to our preferences and making our digital experiences more tailored and convenient. AI plays a central role in the rise of smart homes and the Internet of Things. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs, adjusting the thermostat, managing energy consumption, and securing your space. AI is the brain behind the seamless automation of our living environments. In the healthcare sector, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, treatment plans, and patient care. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of medical data, helping identify patterns and predict diseases earlier than ever before. This translates to more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment approaches. The automotive industry is experiencing a paradigm shift with the advent of AI-driven autonomous vehicles. From self-parking features to fully autonomous driving, AI is enhancing road safety and redefining the future of transportation. Education is undergoing a transformation thanks to AI. Intelligent tutoring systems adapt to individual learning styles, providing personalized lessons and feedback. AI-powered tools are also streamlining administrative tasks, allowing educators to focus more on teaching. As we embrace AI, it's crucial to address ethical considerations. Questions about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the societal impact of automation require thoughtful consideration. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility is key to harnessing the full potential of AI. The rise of automation driven by AI has implications for the job market. While some jobs may be automated, new opportunities in AI development, maintenance, and oversight are emerging. Adaptability and a focus on education and upskilling become essential in navigating this evolving landscape. As we peer into the future, the possibilities with AI seem limitless. From advancements in robotics to breakthroughs in natural language processing, AI holds the potential to solve complex problems and elevate human capabilities in ways we are just beginning to imagine. Artificial intelligence has woven itself into the fabric of our everyday lives, shaping the way we live and work. As we navigate this transformative era, it's essential to embrace the opportunities AI presents while addressing the challenges it brings. While we often associate AI with logic and data, it has also made its mark in creative industries. AI algorithms are now composing music, creating art, and even generating content. This collaboration between human creativity and artificial intelligence is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in artistic expression. Your social media experience is heavily influenced by AI. Algorithms analyze your online behavior, serving you personalized content and advertisements. AI has become the silent curator of your digital social life, tailoring your feed to match your interests and preferences. In the realm of cybersecurity, AI is a powerful ally. It detects anomalies, identifies potential threats, and fortifies digital defenses. Whether it's protecting sensitive data or preventing fraudulent activities, AI plays a crucial role in safeguarding our digital landscape. As the world grapples with climate change, AI is emerging as a valuable tool for environmental monitoring and conservation. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast data sets to track changes in ecosystems, predict natural disasters, and optimize resource management for a more sustainable future. Beyond diagnostics, AI is revolutionizing personalized healthcare. It considers an individual's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history to tailor treatment plans. This precision medicine approach holds the promise of more effective and targeted healthcare interventions. Have you ever chatted with a customer service representative online? There's a good chance you were interacting with a chatbot powered by AI. These virtual assistants provide instant support, answer queries, and enhance customer experiences across various industries. Breaking down language barriers is another frontier where AI shines. Translation services powered by AI are enabling global communication by providing real-time language translation. This technology fosters collaboration and understanding in our interconnected world. While celebrating the advancements, it's important to acknowledge the challenges. Ensuring responsible AI development involves addressing biases in algorithms, safeguarding privacy, and establishing ethical standards. The responsible use of AI is crucial for a future where technology benefits all of humanity. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our journey into the future, reshaping industries, augmenting human capabilities, and presenting opportunities and challenges alike. Thank you for joining us on this extended exploration of the impact of AI on our everyday lives. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the exciting possibilities that AI continues to unfold. Until next time, this is Science of Voice, signing off.